So in this problem, we need to simplify the given trigonometric expression. So let us begin. So here, let's begin by first supposing that pi over 4 minus theta, let this be equivalent to a. That means our expression becomes cosine squared a minus sine squared a. Now we have a standard formula for cosine squared a minus sine squared a. That's nothing but cosine of 2 times a. Which means now we have cosine of 2 times a, which is pi over 4 minus theta. So we will get cosine of, so 2 times pi over 4, that's going to be pi over 2, minus 2 theta. Now there's a standard formula, cosine of pi over 2 minus any angle gives us sine of that angle 2 theta. So this is going to be the simplified value of cosine squared pi over 4 minus theta minus sine squared pi over 4 minus theta. And we get this value equals to sine of 2 theta.